Here I've got DOOGEE Y7, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contacts, select the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Tina. Click on edit icon, and now select camera. And you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery, and I will choose a photo. Let me pick the one that I would like to apply. And then just customize it, so you can crop it, resize it, do whatever you want to, just make it proper with your needs and preferences. So I will do something like this. Obviously you can also turn it around and then tap on done. Click on save, and that's it. From now on, every time Tina will be calling you, you will see this profile picture. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.